37-117, U12, serving in lane 2 of John Raymond Garcia, Houston East Aquate. Lane 1, 8 Alson Martin Cosio of Manila Sympathetic Swift Club. Lane 2, Alexander Joseph Garcia of Sharp Swift Club. Lane 3, Gabriel Lim of Pasig City Swimming. Lane 4, Misael Bernardes of Santa Rosa City Swim Team. Lane 5, Evan Mario Limos of Santa Rosa City Swim Team. Lane 6, Matthew Adrian Alfonso, Coach Roy Swim Team. Lane 7, Calvin Poblete, Beta Caloocan Swimming Team. Lane 8, Red Evangelista, Beta Caloocan Swimming Team. Lane 9, Ray Michael Cruz IV, Beta Northern Swimming Team. Swimmers for event number 118, please proceed to the ready bed. Swimmers for event number 118, proceed to the ready bed.